Today in class 9 biology we will start with the germination. There is two types of germination. We already knows this one. One is called hypogeal germination and there is called epigeal germination. So it starts with the epigeal germination. The epigeal means actually hypogotyle elongates. Cotyledons are pushed above the ground. That is called castor, bean. These are the examples. That means here actually the hypogotyle elongate, but actually cotyledons are pushed above the ground. Cotyledons comes above the ground level. And bean are the most important example for that purpose. Whereas in case of hypogeal germination, if we see, then here epicotyle elongates, the cotyledons remain underground. That is, if we see, that is a pea, maize. These are the examples where you can found this kind of hypogeal type of germination. So epicotyle here elongate, but cotyledons remain underground, never comes out from the ground level. That is called hypogeal germination. If we see the differentiation between the bean seed and maize grain, then we found it properly. That bean seed is with two cotyledons, maize grain with a single cotyledon, endosperm absent. In case of maize grain, endosperm is present. The seed coat and the fruit wall are separated in case of bean seed, whereas seed coat and fruit wall are fused in case of maize grain. It has a large embryo in case of bean seed, whereas in case of small embryo in maize grain. So these are the differentiation, and also shows the germination type. You will see the epigeal type of germination is bean, and hypogeal type of germination is pea and maize. So now move on to the germination of bean seed. If we see the germination of bean seed, the seed swell up after absorbing water. The radicle elongates, extend downward into the soil. Hypogotyle elongate, plumule reaches the surface of the soil. Cotyledons comes out of the soil, and the germination is bean seed is actually epigeal type. Here you will see also diagram also, and that when this radicle that is hypogotyle elongates and plumule reaches the surface of soil and cotyledons come out of the soil, you will see in this picture. In case of this maize grain, that is germination of maize grain, and the seed absorb water and swell up. The epithelial layer of the scutellum secretes enzyme which convert starch in the endosperm into sugar and transferred it into the cotyledon. So this radicle grows down and plumule grows up. So the epigotyle elongate, enlarges, and cotyledon remain in the soil. So this germination is known as hypogeal type. Here also you will see the diagram, and you will see the radicle grows down and plumule grows up, but epigotyle enlarges and cotyledon remain in the soil, not comes above, in the soil, remain in the soil, underground, in the underground. So the germination is known as hypogeal type. So these are the best example, that is maize grain shows the hypogeal type of germination. Here also you will see also the diagram. And so today up to that, next day we will start with another kind of germination in case of another two different seeds. So today up to that.